Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we have already completed exercise 5.4. Today we are going to solve exercise 5.5. Before going to start exercise 5.5, I have given some important formula of logarithm which you have got in earlier class. So this is the formula of logarithm. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.5. In exercise 5.5, the direction is differentiate the given function with respect to x. So how to differentiate? We got it. So question number one is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Cos x, cos 2x into cos 3x. We have got the formula how to differentiate two function by product rule, but in this equation here three functions are given here: cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. So this type of problem is difficult to differentiate by applying product rule. So এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ প্ৰব্লেমবিলাক আমি ডিফাৰেন্সিয়েট যদি প্ৰডাক্ট ৰুলত কৰিব যাওঁ তেতিয়া কি হয় আমাৰ অসুবিধাৰ সন্মুখীন হ'বলগীয়া হয়। তো so here we have to use log. So how to solve? Let's start. How to solve? Let's try to solve this. So let y equal to cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, so if we taking logarithm on both sides, so right here taking logarithm on both sides, we get if we taking logarithm on both sides, then we have this is implies this is log of. So if we taking logarithm, then this is log y is equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos of 3x. Okay, so we got the formula. If log of m into n into r equal to, we know the formula, log of m plus log of n plus log of r. Here in this problem we use this formula, log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Using this formula, log of m into n into r equal to r, log of m plus log of n plus log of r. Using this formula, what we have that implies log of y equal to log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we write shortly differentiating with respect to x. We have, if we differentiating this with respect to x, then we know ddx of log x equal to what? Ddx of log of y equal to ddx of log of cos x plus ddx of log of cos 2x plus ddx of log of cos 3x. Okay, is ddx of log of, if we taking this is x, then ddx of log x equal to, we know the formula 1 by x. So ddx of log y equal to what? 1 by y, and if we differentiate y, then we get dy dx. This is equal to ddx of log of cos x. If cos x is taking as a x, then this is log x, then ddx of log x equal to, we know what? 1 by x. So x is what? Here x is cos x, so right here 1 by cos of x into ddx of what? First here we differentiate log. So now we are going to differentiate cos x. So ddx of cos x. Similarly, this 1 by cos of 2x into ddx of cos 2x plus 1 by cos of 3x into ddx of cos 3x. So this is equal to what? 1 by cos of x. ddx of cos x, we got the formula. ddx of cos x equal to what? ddx of cos x is minus sin x. So right here minus sin x. Okay. Plus 1 by cos of 2x. ddx of cos x is what? ddx of cos x is minus sin x. So right here minus sin 2x into ddx of what? ddx of 2x plus 1 by cos 3x. ddx of cos x is minus sin x, so right here minus sin 3x into ddx of what? ddx of 3x. So this is equal to minus sin by cos, we know the formula, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So minus tan of x plus minus, this is minus. Okay, so sin 2x by cos 2x is tan 2x into ddx of 2x is 2 into 2. Okay, plus sin by cos, this is also minus, plus minus minus, so minus tan 3x into 3. So final answer is, this implies dy dx is equal to y whole into this one minus tan of x minus tan minus 2 into tan 2x minus 3 into tan 3x. So what is x? This implies dy dx equal to y. What is y? Y is given, first we let y equal to what? Y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay, this into this into minus. If we taking minus common, so give here minus, so we taking minus common, so minus this one into tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 into tan 3x. This is the final answer. Now we are going to solve question number 2. So question number 2 is, it is given square root of x minus 1 whole into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. It is given. So this is whole square root of this. So first of all, what we have to done here, let y equal to this, y equal to square root of this one, x minus 1 whole into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5. So this can be written as y equal to x minus 1 whole into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 whole to the power what? Whole to the power 1 by 2. Now we are going to taking logarithm on both sides. Then what we have, this is log of y is equal to, if we taking log here, then we know the formula log of m whole to the power n equal to what? N into log of m. Using this formula, so what we have here, we have half is out, so we have log of this one. Log of what? Log of x minus 1 whole into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 whole into x minus 4, x minus 5. This is complete. Now if we differentiating with respect to x, now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we have what we have. If we differentiating this, then we have 1 by y into dy dx. This is equal to half into log half whole into ddx of, because half is a constant, so half is out, ddx of this one, this. If we break this formula, log of, we know the formula log of m by n equal to what? Log of m minus log of n. Using this formula, if we break the formula, then we have log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2. So minus this one, minus this, give here second bracket, log of x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. So this is complete, second bracket complete, and third bracket is also complete. So what we have this implies dy dx is equal to half into y. So give here third bracket, dx of log of this, dx of log of x minus 1 plus dx of log of x minus 2, to minus dx of log of x minus 3 minus dx of log of x minus 4 minus dx of log of x minus 5. So this implies dy dx equal to 1 by 2 into y whole into dx of log x. We know the formula, dx of log x is 1 by x, so this can be 1 by x minus 1 into dx of x minus 1 plus similarly 1 by x minus 2 into log of, sorry, this is not log, dx of x minus 2, okay, minus 1 by x minus 3 into dx of x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 into dx of x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5 into dx of x minus 5. So Now this implies dy dx equal to 1 by 2 into y whole into 1 by x minus 1. If we differentiating this ddx of x equal to, we know the formula ddx of x equal to 1. So this is 1, and ddx of any constant, 1 is a constant, so ddx of 1 equal to 0. So plus 1 by x minus 2 whole into 1 minus 0. Similarly, minus 1 by x minus 3 whole into 1 minus 0 minus 1 by x minus 4 into 1 minus 0. Similarly, this one minus 1 by x minus 5 into 1 minus 0. So what we have, so this implies dy dx equal to 1 by 2 y. What is y? Y is given here. Y is square root of, y is what? Y is square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4 into x minus 5 into this one. So what we have, one, this is 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 3. So question number 3, let y equal to log x whole to the power cos x, log x whole to the power cos x. This is given. So first of all, taking logarithm on both sides we have, then what we have, this is log of y, this is equal to log of this one, log of x whole to the power cos x. So this implies log of y is equal to, using this formula, log of m to the power n equal to n into log of n. Using this formula we have, this is equal to cos of x into log of log x, log of log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we have, what we have, so if we differentiating log of y, then we get 1 by y into dy dx. This is equal to ddx of cos x into log of log x. Okay. So this implies dy dx is equal to y whole into this ddx of u into v. Here u is cos x and v is log of log x. So we know the formula ddx of u into v, ddx of log of u into v equal to what? The ddx of log of u into v equal to, we know the formula that u into ddx of v. First u is what? U is cos x, so right here cos of x into ddx of v. What is v? V is log of log x, so right here log of log x. Okay. Plus v, here v is what? V is log x, right here log of log x into ddx of u. What is u? U is cos x. The bracket is complete. So this implies dy dx equal to y whole into cos of x, ddx of log x equal to, we know ddx of log x is 1 by x, to 1 by x, here x is log of x, so 1 by log x into ddx of what? Into ddx of log of x plus this is log of log x. Same. So ddx of cos x equal to ddx of cos x equal to, we know the formula, ddx of cos x equal to minus sin x. This implies dy dx equal to y. What is y? Y is given. So y is what? Y is log of x whole to the power cos x into what? Into cos of x. So right here cos x into 1 by log x into ddx of log x equal to, we know, 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x. So plus minus is minus, minus sin x into what? Log of log x. Okay, so final answer is dy dx is equal to log of x whole to the power cos of x whole into 1 by x log x into cos x minus sin x into log of log x. This is log x. So this is the final answer. Now we are going to solve question number 4. So question number 4 is let y equal to what? X to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x, to the power sin of x. So let put here, put u equal to x to the power x and v equal to the power sin x. So therefore y equal to what? Therefore y equal to, we get x to the power x is convert to u, this is u, minus, and to the power sin x convert to v, this is v. This is equation number 1. Give your equation number. So now differentiating with respect to x, on both sides, we get, then what we get? We get dy dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So now we put u equal to what? We put u equal to x to the power x. If we taking logarithm on both sides, then what we have here? Then we have log of u equal to x into log of x. Okay. Now differentiating this with respect to x. Now differentiating, give here equation number. This is suppose we have log of u equal to x into log of x. So if we differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get, what we get? If we differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get, what we get? So we get 1 by u into du dx. This is equal to ddx of this, ddx of x into log of x. So this is equal to, this implies 1 by u du by dx. This is equal to, using here product method, then u is x into ddx of v. What is v? V is log x plus v into v is log of x into ddx of u. What is u? U is x. So this implies du by dx equal to u whole into x into ddx of log x is 1 by x plus log of x into ddx of x is 1. So what we had, we get du by dx equal to u is what? U is x to the power x whole into this x cancel out, then 1 plus log of x. We get du by dx equal to x to the power x whole into 1 plus log of x. But b equal to 2 to the power sine of x. So taking logarithm on both sides, then we have this is log of v, this is equal to sine of x into log of 2. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, then we had ddx of log of v is equal to ddx of sine of x into log of 2. So if we differentiate log of v, then what we have? We have 1 by v into dv by dx. This is equal to, using here product rule, then sine of x into ddx of log of 2. Sorry, we cannot use here product rule because log of 2 is constant. So constant is out, log 2 is out, and we only differentiate sin x. So ddx of sine of x. So this implies dv by dx is equal to v into log of 2 into ddx of sin x. We know the formula, ddx of sin x is cos x. So ddx of sin x is cos x. So final dv by dx is equal to v. What is v? V is 2 to the power sin x. So right here 2 to the power sine of x into cos of x into log of 2. So we get the value of dv by dx, and we also find the value of du by dx. Now using the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 2, so putting right here, putting the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation 2, we get what do we get? So what equation 2 implies? Equation 2 is doi by dx equal to du by dx. So du by dx, the value of du by dx is x to the power x. Okay, x to the power x whole into what? 1 plus what? 1 plus log of x. This is 1 plus log of x. This is the value of du by dx, and minus dv by dx is what? dv by dx is 2 to the power sine of x into cos of x into log of 2. So answer is what? So dy by dx equal to this. This is the final answer. Now we are going to solve question number 5. So question number 5 is, let y is equal to, y is given x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole to the power 4. This is y. Okay, this is y. If we are taking logarithm, then what we have? Now taking logarithm on both sides, then we have log of y equal to log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 whole to the power 4. So this implies log of y is equal to, according to logarithm formula, 2 is out, this is log of x plus 3 and plus 3 is out, then log of x plus 4 plus 4 into log of x plus 5. Now if we differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to what? Differentiating with respect to x on both sides we get, then what we get? If we differentiating log of y, then we get 1 by y dy dx. This is equal to 2 is constant out into ddx of what? Ddx of log of x plus 3 plus 3 is constant out ddx of log of x plus 4 plus 4 is out, so ddx of what? Ddx of log of x plus 5. So that implies dy dx is equal to y whole into 2 into, if we differentiating this ddx of log x equal to, we know the formula ddx of log x equal to 1 by x. So here x is what? X is x plus 3. So write here 1 by x plus 3 into ddx of what? Ddx of x plus 3. Similarly 3 into 1 by x plus 4 into ddx of what? Ddx of x plus 4 plus 4 into 1 by x plus 5 into ddx of x plus 5. That implies dy dx is equal to y whole into 2y x plus 3. Okay, if we differentiating this, ddx of x is 1 plus 0 plus 3y x plus 4 into 1 plus 0 plus 4y x plus 5 into 1 plus 0. So that implies dy dx is equal to y. What is y? Y is x plus 3 whole square and x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole to the power 4 whole into, if we are taking LCM, then x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 5. This is the LCM complete. So we have here 2 whole into what? 2 whole into x plus 4 x plus 5 plus 3 whole into what? 3 whole into x plus 3 into x plus 5 and plus 4 whole into x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay, so this is implies dy dx equal to x plus 3 is cancel, x plus 4 1 cancel, x plus, so what we have here, so answer we get x plus 3 into here x plus 4 whole square and this is x plus 5 whole cube whole into 2 whole into this 2 whole into what? X plus 4 into x plus 5 plus 3 whole into x plus 3 into x plus 5 and lastly plus 4 whole into x plus 3 and x plus 4. Bracket complete. So this is the answer. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেণ্টত জনাব। যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন নতুন ভিডিঅ' পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব।